What's going on, everybody? This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13. It is an exciting day here in the shop. I just wrapped up these sets of gorgeous Juke headlights. I know I say this almost every headlight set that I build, but I think these are my favorite headlights that I've ever built. I am absolutely in love with them. A, because they're for Nissan Juke 2011 and 2014, so of course I'm a little biased. B, because they're paint code B20, which is my paint code, so I'm a little biased. C, because it's custom etched with that Nismo logo there. So we sent that in and had that done, which is super awesome because the owner, Joe, owns a Nismo, of course. We did a Morimoto D2S projector assembly retrofit into this one with the Panamera Switchback shroud, which looks phenomenal, and also did demon eyes in there and an exterior clear coat. Now you can see those beautiful demon eyes. So those are wired up so that you can basically have them controlled independently, or I can link them together. And voila, super awesome. They look absolutely beautiful. I'm super pleased with them. Then we're also, here is the running light. That is the running light of the Panamera Switchback shroud. So it's got that traditional 4 LED look with a little bit of a halo ring around it. And then also it switchbacks to boop, boop, which is just stupid gorgeous. As far as the bulbs, we're going to do the Osram D2S CBBs, which are super awesome. So this is going to have amazing light output, giving them great night visibility as well as a little bit of flash. All right, that's all. This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13. Thanks for watching. Have yourself a wonderful day. See ya.